Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in the weekend with the Quran today I'm going to be doing Suratul Ankabut from ayahs number 14 to 20. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا إِلَىٰ قَوْمِهِ فَلَبِثَ فِيهِمْ أَلْفَ سَنَةٍ إِلَّا 50 عَامًا فَأَخَذَهُمُ الطُّوفَانُ وَهُمْ ظَالِمُونَ. So the translation of this is that indeed we sent Nuh alayhi salam to his people and he remained among them for 1,000 years less 50. That means 950 years. This is another way of saying it to put more emphasis on it. And then the flood overtook them while they persisted in wrongdoing. So here Allah consoles his messenger who was in a very difficult situation in Makkah with people of Makkah treating him really badly by telling him about Nuh alayhi salam, who stayed among his people for a long time calling them to Allah day and night. And this is the only surah in which Allah has mentioned the time for which how long he stayed, like 950 years. So this is the only surah in the Quran which tells us that. Then the next ayah is ayah number 15. فَأَنْجَيْنَاهُ وَأَصْحَابَ السَّفِينَةِ وَجَعَلْنَاهَا آيَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. And the translation is that but we delivered him and those in the ark, making it a sign for all the people. So the very few people who followed Nuh alayhi salam his earning of that long period of time was only a handful of people. So the very few people who followed Nuh alayhi salam after his hard work of almost 1,000 years were saved by Allah, and the rest of them were drowned in the flood. Ayah number 16 is وَإِبْرَاهِيمَ إِذْ قَالَ لِقَوْمِهِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَاتَّقُوهُ ذَلِكُمْ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ. So and remember when and now Allah is talking about another messenger, that is, remember when Ibrahim alayhi salam said to his people, worship Allah and fear him. This is better for you if only you knew. So Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is being told about Ibrahim alayhi salam and how he faced his people who opposed him. His own father became his enemy when he called him to Allah, and his father was among the people who collected wood to burn him. So the next ayah is ayah number 17. إنما تعبدون من دون الله أوثانا وتخلقون إفكا إن الذين تعبدون من دون الله لا يملكون لكم رزقا فابتغوا عند الله الرزق واعبدوه واشكروا له إليه ترجعون. So you worship. So Ibrahim alayhi salam is telling his people that you worship besides Allah nothing but idols, simply creating lies about them that they can do this and that. Those you worship besides Allah certainly cannot give you any provision. They cannot give you any risk. So seek provision from Allah alone, worship Him, and be grateful to Him. To Him you will all be returned. So this is what Ibrahim alayhi salam said to his people, making them realize that it is Allah who provides them risk. So they should worship Him alone and not make partners with Him. Moving on to the next ayah, ayah number 18. وَإِن تُكَذِّبُوا فَقَدْ كَذَّبَ أُمَمٌ مِّن قَبْلِكُمْ وَمَا عَلَى الرَّسُولِ إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ. So the translation of this ayah is that if you Makkans persist in denial, not listening to the Prophet, denying whatever the message is bringing, so did many communities before you. So there were many nations before you who did the same thing. The messenger's duty is only to deliver the message clearly. So the messenger is not supposed to make you believe. His duty is only to convey message, and if you don't listen, then just think about the previous nations, what happened to them. Moving on to the next ayah, it's ayah number 19. أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا كَيْفَ يُبْدِئُ اللَّهُ الْخَلْقَ ثُمَّ يُعِيدُهُ إِنَّ ذَلِكَ عَلَى اللَّهِ يَسِيرٌ. So, have they not seen how Allah originates the creation, then resurrects them? That is certainly easy for Allah. The one who originated all the creation from nothing can very easily create them again. So Allah created everything from nothing. So it's very easy for Him to create it a second time. It's not difficult for Him at all to do that again. Then the last ayah for today is ayah number 20, which is कुल सीरू फिल अर्ज़ी फ़ंज़ुरू कैफ़ा बदा अल खल्का सुम्मल्लाहु युनशिउन नशअतल आखिरा इन्नल्लाहा अला कुल्ली शैइन कदीर. So say, O Prophet, travel throughout the land and see how he originated the creation. Then Allah will bring it into being one more time. Surely Allah is most capable of everything. So just look around and observe the creation of Allah around you and see how He created all of them, and He is capable of making them again as well. So tomorrow, inshallah, I'll be doing from ayah number, I think, 21 to 27, completing the second section, because the surah is divided into different sections and we did the first section last weekend, and this weekend I'm going to be completing the second section. So that's all for today. Fi amanillah.